Hi, Namaste. Welcome back to our channel. I hope everyone is doing good. Quickly put me in the comments how are you people. In this video, we are going to see how we need to introduce ourselves in informal situations, and also let us have a look on how we need to address in a formal way too. Okay? You need to understand the minute difference between introducing yourself in an informal gathering and also in a formal interview. Okay, so without any delay, let's get started. You can introduce yourself in a very informal way when you meet your family, friends, or if you are new to a place like college, institution. Okay, if you want to introduce yourself to the other people who are in your age group, then you can use a very simple introduction that is informal. Actually, an informal introduction act like an icebreaker to start your conversation with your new friends or your family members. Hi there, what's up? Hi there, I'm Gowthami. Hi there, how are you? Hi, I'm Gowthami. Hi, I am new to here. Hi, I am new to this place. Hi, I joined today only. Hi, I don't think we have met before. Okay, these are some of the starters, like some of the icebreakers that will help you to start a conversation. Next, you can introduce yourself with a cute smile on your face. You can just start the introduction with your name. Hi, I'm Gauthami. My name is Gauthami. My name is Gauthami, but my friends call me. Then you can tell your nickname. Okay, you can call me. My name is, and my last name is. Okay, for example, let us take the example of Shilpa Shetty. Okay, my name is Shilpa and my last name is Shetty. Okay, in this way you can tell your name. Next, coming to your age. I'm not going to reveal the exact age of mine, but for example, I am taking 26 as my age. I'm 26 years old. I'm 26. I am around 26. I am almost 26. If you don't want to reveal your exact age, then you can use the following phrases. I am in my late 20s. Okay. If you are in your teens, then you can say I am in my early teens if your age is in between 13 to 15. And you can say I am in my late teens if your age is in between 16 to 19. Okay. And if your age is in between 20 to 25, then you can say I am in my early 20s. And if your age is in between 25 to 30, then you can say I am in my late 20s. In this way, you can tell your age if you don't want to tell the exact figure of your age. For example, I am in my late 20s. And it goes on like 30s, 40s, 50s. Okay. Next, you can use or you can add a few points regarding your job or your studies which you have studied earlier. For example, I have studied in an agricultural stream. I am working as an agricultural specialist. I am an agricultural specialist for almost 4 years. If you are unemployed, then you can say I am unemployed or I am out of work. If you are planning to change your job, if you want to shift your career, then you can say, now I am working as an agricultural specialist, but soon I want to change my job. Soon I am going to switch my career. I want to quit my job as soon as possible. In this way, you can add a spice to your introduction. And not only that, you can add your nationality also if you are going to some other place to study or to work. For example, if you go abroad and if you want to introduce yourself, then you can say, I am an Indian. I am from India. How about you? I was born and raised in India. Okay. Some people were born in one place and they are raised in another place, right? In such cases, you can tell as I'm going to use two states, okay? Two states of India. Like, for example, you can say, I was born in Andhra Pradesh, but I got raised in Telangana. I was born in Andhra Pradesh, but now I am based in Telangana. It means that I was born there, but I have shifted from Andhra Pradesh to Telangana to do some work. For now, I have settled in Telangana. Then you can use this phrase. I am born in, but I am based in. Okay. Simple, right? Informal introduction is very easy. Okay. So I want you people to introduce yourself informally in the comment section. Come on, I am waiting. Okay. Coming to how you need to introduce yourself in an interview. In your interview, you must be very formal. You need to remember that you need to be strictly professional. Never ever use shortcut and don't tell your personals. Okay. For example, don't tell your personal information like I like to eat ice cream, I like to have pizza. No, no such personal information. You need to be very professional. So let us see how you need to introduce yourself in an interview. I am going to divide this introduction part into 7 parts. Okay, so that you will be able to understand very easily. My motto is that you must be able to understand easily and you must be able to frame your own introduction. That is the motto. So let's start. The first step in order to introduce yourself formally is to start with greetings. Okay, you need to start your introduction with greetings like good morning, good afternoon, good evening. In this way, you need to start your introduction with a greeting. Second step, you need to tell about your name, age, nationality, interests, family. Okay. For example, my name is Gowthami. I am 26 years old. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I am married and I am a mother of 18 months old child. My hobbies are reading newspaper and working upon my communication skills. This is quite simple. I know, but you need to understand that if you are a beginner, try to use simple words to frame your introduction. In the third step, you need to tell a few words about your educational background. I am a BSc graduate. I have been working as an agricultural specialist since 4 years. And if you have done any courses regarding your profession, any additional courses regarding your profession, then feel free to share them also. Okay, if you have done any internships, for example, besides working as an agricultural specialist, I have also completed doing internship in agriculture technology of management agency. Okay, in this way, if you have done any internships, give a brief note about them also. In the fourth step, you need to tell about your experience if you have worked before elsewhere. If you are a fresher, then you need not tell anything about your experience. But if you have worked for some months or years, then you can tell your experience. For example, I have worked as an agricultural specialist in an integrated tribal development agency. I have gained a lot of knowledge during these years and I had with so many farmers and I have learned so many things. And not only that, I helped a lot of farmers. I have given more than 60 trainings to farmers in their native language. In this way, you can give a brief note on the experience that you have gained during your previous job. In the fifth step, you need to tell about your skills. Apart from having knowledge regarding agricultural practices, I also have a touch on computer. I can prepare good presentations and I can give speeches also. I am free to engage with anyone and I am free to exchange my ideas and thoughts with each and every person in a very interactive way. In the sixth step, you need to tell about your achievements. For example, if you are awarded with any awards on special occasions, then you can add it to your achievements. For example, I was awarded the Best Employee Award in my district twice. In this way, you can add your own achievements. And finally, in the seventh step, you need to justify. Okay, you need to justify that you are a particular person, you are that one person who needs to be hired for this job. You need to convince them that you are good enough to do this job. Okay, for example, as I have a lot of experience in this agricultural field, and as I am a social person also, it is very easy for me to mingle with each and every person. And not only that, I have a lot of experience to deal with most of the people who are from other countries. I am fluent in speaking English and I am capable of interacting with people outside from India also. So I think that this job is quite good for me, and not only that, I feel it is a good choice to you if you opt me for this job. While you are introducing yourself, if you remember any idioms and adjectives, then you are free to use them during informal situations. Okay, so that is all for this video. Hope this video would help you, and don't forget to introduce yourself in an informal way in the comment section. I would be reading all of those and letting you know if you have made any mistakes. Thank you so much for joining me till the end. See you soon in the next video.